Now, dear students, let's continue our lesson with a question. Why is fast food so attractive to some people? Can you answer this question?
Firstly,
It is
firstly, it is cheap, and secondly, it is don't take much time.
okay to prepare the fast food. Okay, please, Ahmed, your opinion.
I think that people like it because it's very tasty and it gets ready for very fast.
Okay, Alifan, your opinion.
I assume that junk foods appears easy compared to ones that are really good.
Okay, now who else will do your opinion?
Fast food is so attractive to people because it contains so much sugar, and so it is tasty and people gets addicted to it.
Now, Shuban, your opinion.
I think that junk food is attractive to a lot of people because it is cheap and also it can be made in just a few minutes. And also maybe some people are lazy, so that's why they prefer doing fast food.
Thank you so much. Shuban, what can you say about this question?
Well, not surprisingly, that fast foods are really attractive and delicious, and because of these reasons, people would like to eat junk food rather than homemade foods.
Okay, now you have a poster. Yes, okay. Now please let's write your opinion on the poster and by answering the question, the next question, what can be done to encourage people to eat less fast food? Okay?
So what do you think what can be done to encourage people to have less junk food?
People can eat like healthy food cheaper than junk food, and it will be more available to other people.
What do you think about food addiction?
I think we know that organic food is more expensive than junk foods, and they buy the junk foods. I think we must make junk food more expensive than organic foods, and all people will buy organic healthy foods.
Also, we should start doing challenges in social media because we all know that social media is getting more popular and popular.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes.
What can be done to encourage people to eat less sugar? First of all, we think that we should increase the price of fast food in order to people to eat less of it, and to show them consequences which junk food leads to. As we know, junk food leads to a lot of consequences for our environment and diseases, death.
There are several methods how we can encourage people to eat less junk food. For example, the first is start new challenges in social media. As I said before, social media is getting popular, so I think it's one of the effective methods how we can encourage people to eat less.
Okay, what do you think, other groups? What do you think about starting new challenges in social media?
I think that it's a good idea because social media become more and more popular. So also we can see that some